Office Incorporation. Our company offers modern and affordable office furniture designed for both companies and individual users.
Hi, I am Shaina Marcy Villanueva. I am the purchasing manager of my office incorporations. I am responsible for selecting reliable supplies, negotiating prices, and ensure that all purchase materials meet the company quality standard. And also, I am the sales manager of my office incorporation. My responsibility is to build good relationship with customers, promote our product, and ensure that customers' needs are properly met to achieve sales target.
To make our operations more efficient, we decided to use Odoo ERP software. It allows us to manage sales, purchasing, inventory, and accounting in one integrated system.
Let's begin by creating a product in the system. First, we go to the sales model. Then we click the product and click new. Enter the product name, which is large office desk. Next, we input the important details such as the sales price of $83.21. When converted to the peso, it's 5,000 each desk, and the cost of $58 when converted to the peso is 3,500 peso. We also assign the category as good and set the reference number to 001 for easier tracking. Then we will upload the photo of our product. After that, we go to the Purchase tab and click the Add a Line. We type Hood Corner, then select Create and Edit, and fill out all the necessary informations before saving it. We also make sure that the quantity is set to 1. Once everything is complete, we manually save the product.
Creating a product is important because it allows us to properly track inventory, manage pricing, and connect both purchasing and selling processes in the system. Now that our product is ready, we can move into purchasing.
As the purchase manager, I will now create a purchase order. We go to the purchase model, click new, and fill out the necessary details such as the vendor. You can add your own name or email for the order, the deadline, and expected arrival date. You can set or choose a specific date and then select the product that we want to order. For the product, choose large office desk. After completing the details, we click the Send RFQ. Send it through email and then confirm the order. We can also print and send the purchase order for documentations. Hello, good day. I would like to order 20 units of large office desk. Can you confirm if they are available?
Yes, the items are available. We will prepare your order and schedule it for delivery.
Thank you. I will now confirm the purchase order in the system.
This step ensures that we have enough stock available before we start selling to our customers, which helps avoid delays and shortages.
After confirming the purchase order, we now proceed to receiving the product. We go to the inventory model, click the receipt, and select the item Hood Corner. We carefully check the delivered items to make sure that the quantity and condition are correct. If everything matches the order, we click Validate to confirm the receipt.
This step updates our inventory and makes the products available for selling.
Go to the accounting tab and fill out all the needed information, including the bill date, accounting date, and payment terms, and change the price 83.21 and change the account to fixed assets and click confirm. Then, we upload the bills, adjust the bill date if needed, and confirm it. After that, we go to the order information. And for the payment method, select manual payment. We also make sure to change the payment journal to bank manual to proper record the transactions.
This process helps us track our expenses accurately and maintain organized financial records.
Now let's move on the selling our product. We go to the sales model, create a new sales order, and enter the customer name, which is Shaina Marie Villanueva. Then also fill out the invoice and delivery address. Then we add the product large office desk and send the quotations via email. Then after that, choose an email and click send. Good day, we are from My Office Incorporation. How many office desks would you like to order?
I would like to purchase 5 units for our office.
Alright, thank you. I will process your order now. After sending the quotations, we confirm the sales order in the system.
This step records the transaction and prepares the orders for delivery.
After confirming the sales order, we proceed to deliver. We go to the inventory model and click delivery orders. Then, we select the customer contact and review all the delivery details carefully. Once everything is correct, we click validate to complete the delivery process.
Thank you for the fast and smooth delivery.
You're welcome. We're always happy to serve our customers. Next, we create the invoice for the customers. We go to the sales module, click to invoice, and select order to invoice. We choose the customer name, click create invoice, and select regular invoice. We create a drive, review all the details, and confirm the invoice. After that, we preview the invoice, go to edit mode, and send it via email to the customers. This ensures that the customer is properly billed and that all the details are accurate.
Once the customer has made the payment, we record it in the system. We go to the accounting module, click customers, then invoices, and select the specific customer invoice. Next, we click pay, fill out all the necessary payment details, and click create payment. This step completes the transactions and ensures that our financial records are updated and accurate. Finally, we analyze our company's performance and profit. We go to the accounting module, click reporting, and select profit and loss. This report shows us our total income, expenses, and overall profit, which help us evaluate how well our business is doing. With this data, we can better manage our costs and improve our supplier decisions. And we can also improve our sales strategies to increase revenue. Through the use of Odoo ERP system, we are able to manage our operations efficiently and clearly monitor our business performance. And that is our buy and sell process using Odoo. like to sell our products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of the accessories we can easily sell on site?
Sure, no problem. Here's the document with all the product accessories information. I'll send you the link.
Great! I'll import this file directly into the system.
Let's begin by setting up our point of sale system. An important product. First, we go to the apps module and install the point of sales application. Then, we open a point of sales and create a new shop. Next, we go to the configuration, click point of sales, then go to the settings. We scroll down to the bills and receipt sections and enable use QR code on ticket, then click save. After that, we download the product file from the provided link. Then we go back to the point of sales. Click products, select import records and upload the spreadsheet file. Finally, we click import.
Importing products help us quickly set up items for selling and keeps everything organized. I'm opening the shop. I'll need some cash for the opening balance. Do you have some?
Sure, I can give you $550.
Great! I'm opening a new session with this.
Now we will configure the cash register before starting sales. We go to the point of sales and click Open Register. Then we click the $sign and enter the starting cash amount of $550. After entering the amount, we click Open Register to begin the session.
Setting the opening balance ensures accurate tracking of all cash transactions.
I love this office lamp. I buy 3 right away.
Good! With today's special offer, when buying 2 identical items, you get a 20% discount on both.
Great, I pay in the cash. Now let's proceed with a sales transaction. We go to the point of sales, create new sessions, and click Open Sessions. Then we select the product LED lamp. We apply a 20% discount, then click the LED lamp again until the total amount becomes $119.60. Next, we proceed to payment, enter $119.60 and click Validate. After that, we print the receipt.
This step records the sales and provides the customer with proof of purchase. It's lunchtime. The sandwich just arrived. The delivery guy is here, and I'm $12 short to pay the order. Can you help me out with the cash out?
Okay, I come right away with the money. Scene for cash out money. First, go to the point of sales. Click Open Session, then click 3 lines on the right side. Click Cash In and Out. Type $12. Type in reason, sandwiches, Anita, and click the confirm or select OK.
This step records the sales and provides customers the proof of purchases.
Now we will process a sales with an invoice. We open a new session, click customers and select create. We enter the name Jenny, Fletcher, along with the address, contact number, email, zip code, and country. Then click Save. Next, we select the product whiteboard. Proceed to payment and ensure the remaining balance is 0. Then, we click Invoice. Validate the transactions and print the receipt.
Creating an invoice provides a formal record transactions for the business and the customer. Hi, I came this morning and bought 3 office lamps, but actually I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem. Now let's proceed our turn. We go to the point of sales, click new order, and select the office lock. Then we go to payment, click the three dots on the calculator, and choose refund. We select the order or item, set the quantity to 1, then click refund. After that, we select cash and click validate.
Handling returns properly maintain accurate records and customer satisfaction. I have to go. Can you close the shop and calculate the closing balance? You'll need to add all the coins and bills you have in the register drawer.
I'm on it. Scene 7, control cash. Next, we close and control the cash register. We click the three lines on the right side and select closing register. Then, we enter the final cash balance of 726.60. After that, we click close register.
This step ensures that the system balance matches the actual cash on hand. So how was your day? Are you happy with the results?
Difficult to say, I checked the sales details. Finally, we analyze our sales performance. We go to the point of sales module, click reporting, then select sales details. We adjust the start date and end date, then click print to generate the report.
Analyzing sales reports help us understand performance and make better business decisions. I'm launching our new website. Any idea what we should put on our homepage?
I like website with the cover of the top, customized with an office image as the background. I would add some content with key numbers like 700 plus happy customers, 120 designs product, and 15 countries delivered to. I would love to see the gradient in the background of this block. Then we can add 3 columns. You customize, we designs, and we manufacture. Let's begin by setting up our online stores. First, we install the e-commerce module, then we go to the website or e-commerce tab and click build my website. We choose the furniture theme or any available theme and make sure that website is published. Next, we go to the website tab and click edit. We select an image and click replace. Then search for a furniture image or upload our own. We update the content and styles of the home page, then add columns to improve the layout. After making all the changes, we click save and ensure the page is published. Scene 2, create a product page. Now, let's create a product that we will sell online. We click New, select Product, and enter the product name, Office Chair. Next, we set the sales price to 120 and apply a 12% customer tax. Then click Save. After that, we upload an image of the office chair and click Save again.
Adding products, images, and details helps customers better understand the product and increase sales.
Next, we improve our website SEO to make it more visible online. We go to the website tab, click Site, and select Optimize SEO. We enter the title, Office Furniture Available on Demand. For the description, we type, Get the best office chair for sales, buy online now. For the preview, we also use Office Furniture Available on Demand. Then we add keywords such as office desk, office chair. We also include related keywords like near me, liquidator, warehouse, stores, center, and resources. Then we upload a product image and save.
SEO helps improve search ranking and makes it more easier for customers to find our store online.
Now, we will add product variants to give customers more choices. We go to websites, then configurations and settings. Under shop, we enable product variants and save. Next, we go to website, click e-commerce, then product, then select office chair. We open attributes and variants and add attributes such as materials and color. For materials, we add values like fabric and leather. For color, we add gray, white, and purple and set the display type to color. After completing the setup, we save the changes.
Product variants allows customers to customize their purchase, improving their shopping experience.
Now we test our online store. We go to the website page, click shop, and select office chair. We choose the size and color, then click add to cart. After that, we click view cart and proceed to check out.
Testing ensures that the ordering process works smoothly for customers.
Next, we add an upsales product. We go to the website tab, then e-commerce, and select product. We click new and create a product name, warranty 3 years. We set the product type to service, enable sales options, and set the price to 50 pesos. Then, we go to the attributes and variants, add a new attribute called duration, and set values such as 3 years and 5 years. Then we save. Next, we return the office chairs product, go to the sales tab, and add warranty 3 years under optional products, then save. Finally, we create a blog post for our website. We go to the website tab, click new, and select blog post. If needed, we install the blog picture first. We select the blog, my office, or news. Then, enter the title, discover our 3 years warranty. After that, we click saves and begin editing the blog content.
Blog posts help promote products, attract customers, and improve website traffic.
I create the product, office design, to structure our service. What are the steps involved in designing an office?
I start with the first interview to identify customer needs. Then I schedule an on-site visit to examine their premises and take necessary measurements. Based on this, I drew up a floor plan. Finally, we proceed with the execution of the work.
Okay, thanks. I create the stage and also set the email address. Design
Okay.
on the front. Scene 2 contains the creations of tasks. Now let's configure our service as a product. We go to the sales tab, click products, and select new. Then we enter the product name, office design service, and enable sales. In the general information tab, we set the product type to service and the sales price to 50. We also set create on order to tax. Choose the product office designs and set the invoicing policies to based on timesheets. Then we click save. Next, we sell the service.
This
to our
setup allows
customers.
us to
We
track
go to the sales tab,
work
click
hours and bill
orders,
customers accurately.
quotations, and select New. We enter the customer's name, the Jackson Group, and click Create. Under Order Lines, we add the product, Office Design Service. Set the quantity to 20, unit price to 50, and apply 50% tax. Then we click Confirm. After confirming, we open the sales order and click Project 1 to view the project details, then select Create and Edit. Now we schedule a meeting with the client. We go to the project
This
tab,
step connects the
open
sales to
Office
the
Designs,
project
click
task.
the start icon, then the clock icon. We click Schedule an activity, choose Meeting, and enter the summary Visit Google Office. Then we open the calendar to set the schedule. After that, we return and mark the activity as in process. Next, we record the time spent on the project.
Scheduling
Go to the
activity
project tab,
helps us
click
manage
the
client
task
communication
and
and deadlines.
mark in as done if needed. Then we go open SOO2 Office Design Service. We go to Descriptions and Timesheet and enter the details such as the task SOO1, the Jackson Group. We describe the activity as first call to define their needs. Then track the time by starting and stopping the timer. Now we plan the work by organizing tasks.
Recording
We go to the
time
project
sheets
tab,
ensures
open
accurate
Office
tracking
Designs,
of work and
select
proper billing.
SOO2 Office Design Service. We choose sub-tasks, assign them to Audrey, and fill out all the necessary details. Next, we record timesheet for sub-tasks.
Planning
We
tasks
go back to the
helps
project
divide
tab,
the work and
open Office
improve team
Designs, and
coordination.
select SOO2 Office Design Service. We go to the timesheets, enter the employee name, Ernest, and click Create and Designs. Then we fill out all the required details, assign the tasks such as wall and floor, and click Done. Finally, we create an invoice for customers. We go to the
Tracking
sales
time in
tab,
sub-tasks
click to
gives a
invoice,
more detailed
and
view of
select
the work
order to
completed.
invoice. We choose the customer, click create invoice, and make sure it is set to regular invoice. Then we click create draft invoice. Review the details and click confirm. After that, we click set and print or open the office invoice file.
This step finalizes transactions and ensures the customers is billed correctly for the service. Hi, we've just finished the plans to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I create the core product in the system and the bill of materials according to your plan. Let's begin by defining the bills of materials for our product. We go to the manufacturing module and create a new product. We click new and set the product name to label. Next, we enter the sales price of 330 pesos and set the cost per unit to 115 pesos. Then we go to the inventory tab, uncheck buy, and check manufacturer. After reviewing the information, we click product and open bills of materials. Then click new and select the product table. We add components by clicking Add a Line. Then type tabletop, add another line for table leg and another for bulk.
The bill of materials is the list of all the materials needed to create the product, which helps organize the products.
Now, we will purchase the raw materials needed for production. We go to the purchase model, click New, and set the vendor name to Only Woods Incorporation. We add the product, tabletop, set the quantity to 100, and unit price to 40, then apply 12% tax. Next, we add table leg with a quantity of 400 and unit price of 12, and bolt with a quantity of 400 and unit price of 0.50. After completing all details, we click Confirm Order, then send it via email and review the information.
Purchasing ensures that all required materials are available before product begins.
Next, we receive the purchase materials. We go to the inventory module, click Receipt, and select the order from Only Woods Incorporation. After checking the items, we click Validate to confirm the receipt.
This step updates the inventory and prepares materials for manufacturing.
Now let's manufacture our product. We go to the manufacturing model, click Operations, and select Manufacturing Orders. Then we click New. We choose the product table, set the quantity to 3, then click Saves and Confirm. After reviewing details, we click Produce All to complete the process.
Manufacturing transforms raw materials into finished products ready for selling.
Next, we will set up routines and work centers. We go to the manufacturing, click products, then open bills of materials and select table. Under operation, we add assemble and assigns it to the assembly station. Then we add paintings and assign it to the painting room. After that, we save the changes and upload worksheet files for the assembly process.
Routines help organize each step of production and improve efficiency.
Now we plan a manufacturing order. We go to manufacturing order, click New, and select the product table, then save it. Next, we go to the operations, select work orders, and choose the assembly stations. We click the gear icon and make it as done. We repeat the process for the remaining operation until all are complete.
Planning ensures that all production steps are completed in the correct order.
Next, we add a quality control check. We go to the quality module, click control points, and select New. We enter the title, Turkey settings, select the product tables, and set the type to measure. We set the norm to 13 with a tolerance range from 11 to 15. Then assign it to the manufacturing operation and save.
Quality check ensures that the product meets the required standards before completion.
Now we verify the quality test. We go to the Work Center overview, open manufacturing orders, and create a new order for the product table. We select the bills of materials, save it, and review the operation to check the applied quality controls.
This step ensures that all products inspection before finalizing production. To close my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table we manufacture, including the time and materials.
Okay, I checked the BOM overview for the theoretical costs.
Excel spreadsheet with all our current clients. I'll import them into the CRM system now. You should see them in no time.
Hi, great news! Here is the list of our ongoing leads from this link. Just remember, the contact don't exist in this system yet.
Oh, you're right. I will select create new values when the error message pops up.
Let's begin by importing ongoing leads in our CRM system. First, we install the CRM application. Then we open the provided link to download the leads files. Next, we go to the CRM tab and click the settings icon besides the pipeline. Then, we select import records. We upload the data file, choose create new values, and complete the import process.
Importing leads helps us quickly add potential customers into the system and saves time.
Now we will create new leads automatically. We go to the CRM tab and click Generate Leads. We enter 10 companies, set the country to United States, and choose industries such as retailing, healthcare equipment, and real estate. After that, we click Generate Leads.
Generating leads help expand our customers base and increase business opportunities.
Next, we create a new sales opportunity. We go to the CRM and click New. Then we enter the customer name, Carrie M, and set the opportunity name as Carrie M's Opportunity. We also input the email, phone number, and expected revenue of $1,320. Then we click Add. After that, we mark it with a star, schedule an activity, choice call, set total, set today's date, assign it to ourselves, and click Save.
Creating opportunities helps us track of potential deals and manage customer interactions.
Now we send quotation to the customers. We open the opportunity and click New Quotation. Then we select the customer, Carrie M. Under order line, we add the product, large desk. Set the quantity to 6 and the unit price to $220. We review the quotation details, click Send, and log a note for reference.
Sending quotations provides customers with pricing details and moves the deal forward.
Next, we offer a discount to the customers. We go back to opportunities, open the quotations, and find the product large desk. We enter a 5% discount in the discounts field and save the changes. Then, we schedule another activity, choose email, set the due date to 2 days, assign it to ourselves, and click Save.
Providing discount can help persuade customers and increase the chances of closing the deal.
Now we organize our CRM pipeline. We go to the CRM tab and add stage such as New, Qualified, Proposition, and One. We also enable waiting for feedback and move Carrie M's opportunities into the stage.
Organizing the pipeline helps us track progress and manage sales efficiently.
Now we close the deals. We open Carrie M's opportunities and mark it as 1. Then we review the quotations, edit if needed, and click Confirm. After confirming, we open the delivery orders and adjust the schedule's date to 2 weeks.
Closing the deal finalizes the sale and confirms the customer's purchase.
Finally, we analyze our expected review. We go to the CRM module, click Measures, and select Expected Revenue. Then we click the spreadsheet icon to view and save the report.
Analyzing revenue helps us evaluate sales performance and plan future strategies. Behind this video, we worked together as a team to complete the buy and sell process using Odoo. We planned our roles and practiced each step before recording.
During the process, we experienced how to manage purchasing, inventory, and suppliers using one system. At first, it was a bit challenging, but we were able to understand it step by step. We also learned how to sales transaction, delivery, and payment are connected. It helps us realize how important it is to have an organized system in a business.
Through this activity, we understood how Odoo ERP makes business operations easier, faster, and more efficient. We would like to acknowledge Odoo ERP software for providing a platform that helps businesses manage their processes in one system. Thank you for watching! Bye-bye!